asking random questions. I wrote the concept when I was in high school. I was graduating in high school 2014. And then yung lumabas ko yung Demonyo 2017, I incorporated the song, and then Chances Are You and I was created. Hindi ko siya nangyari sa totoong buhay. It was a fictional story I made up. I used my habit and the message through that story sa character ko ni Delvin, si Soleil Sikat, and you will understand the further kung ano yung message ng ang reason ng pag-cross niya ng Boy when you watch the film. At saka po si Gabby, ginawa ko po siyang angel na magiging reason kung bakit i-share ko ni Soleil Sikat ang message niya through the crossing of Boy. Simple.
Salamat. Kitire, ba't si Kelvin at saka si Kira pinili mo sa lahat ng mga young stars natin? Like, meron ka bang parang listahan? Sila ba first choice mo? Paano mo sila napili?
Simply because sila yung perfect para dun sa casting na hinahanap ko. Marami akong napagpilian, marami akong kinonsider, pero nandun yung pag nakita mo kung sino yung nasa vision mo to portray a certain character, yun po yung dapat piliin. So, sa kanilang dalawa, nung na-pitch ko sa kanila yung konsepto, at narinig ko sila kung paano nila i-embrace yung character nila, yun po yung naging inspiration for me to get them.
Sila first choice.
Yan. Dahil si Rose Garcia nandun na, ayan. May microphone na ba si Giles?
Naman!
Ayan.
Yeah.
Pasok.